Here we have a Bissell Professional Spot Clean. So there's a number of different versions of this. There is a purple one, this orange looking one, and also a dark grey one. Now it's similar to Dyson in the sense of they have different models aimed at different things. The purple one is a all-rounder. This one's another all-rounder type situation, and the dark grey one is more aimed towards automotive or you know, upholstery type cleaning with interior of cars and things like that. And all the difference is the attachments that you get with it. It's the same unit. It just, yeah, they're just aimed at slightly different segments. So this model is the 4720P, and it's the professional one. So it comes with a few attachments, which we'll go through quickly now. So I'll just unbox it. You can see the warranty and things like that that are inside there as well. So it comes with the accessories. So this is the stain trapper tool, I believe. Separates another section in there before it actually goes into the machine. So if you want to, yeah, some pretty nasty messes, I think you can clean those up with probably some little holders or something. Whatever that's for. Lucky there's instructions. That is a 6-inch head. Check the angle on that. I believe it's at a 90-degree angle. Yeah, so that's almost at a 90-degree angle there. So when you're actually using it, you'll have to hold the unit and the handle like that. What else do you have in there? The little 3-inch tool as well. Similar sort of thing. The unit itself, got a couple of other things in the box here. A oxy boost and a spot and stain. Tool holder. And the unit itself. Okay, so there's only a relatively short amount of hose on it, probably 1.5 meters, if that. So the idea is to take this near the stain, plug it in, and then you've got access to a short length of hose. All right, we'll see how it works.